monkey.
So now you know how you do this?
How do you do it, Bobby? Talk to me.
It's a pain in the fucking dick. You take this, like this. Yeah, you put it on the end of the magnet. And you come over here. Fucking genius, bro. These are the extra. People charge extra for right here. And then you get it on that bolt and you come work it around. Bam. And that. Like a fucking wizard, like a fucking Harry Potter.
Look at those things.
Now, put the bolt in the fucking socket. Get started, run it down.
So I'm gonna be able to do all this all by myself next time, man.
Oh yeah.
Be a big supervisor, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh. Big magnet guy.
Fuck. You're talking too much shit.
You got pressured. You got pressured, man. We'll be back with you for live action. Filters on, set both of them off. We get these things painted. We got fresh intercooler, fresh intercooler, freshy. We got Bobby over here getting the right. Poor Jenny. Bought this thing, sea trial, had no problems. Just doing common maintenance. Took all the coolers off. Beer coolers, fuel coolers. Look at these freshies back here, baby. Look at these freshies. Huh? Salt tube. D-lead over here. Instead of this metal tube, we put some piping in. We're gonna build a little bracket for her. God bless it.
Buffet.
I don't even see it. Oh shit, he's over here. God bless.
Yeah, I'm toothbrushing it now, boy. I'm like a paleontologist right now. I'm hunting dinosaur bones.
Oh man,
you remember Jurassic Park?
You go with something. I'm trying to
with the grain. See, it's all rock, but it's the calciumization in the rock that makes the fossil. Remember that part of Jurassic Park?
We don't want any of the fossilization and the calcium. We don't want none of that building up, Bobby. We want all this tight.
Yeah, that's why I'm knocking anything down.
We're gonna. Oh yeah. How'd you get over there without breaking that AC pump?
I broke the AC pump.
Oh, bro. What the hell?
I guess everybody, but if I have multiple boys, well, I'd burn mine.
What's going on over there, bud?
All right, well, we are doing some taping right now and prep work here.
I don't know how you get over there.
Oh man, it is it's been a day, but we got our ventilation system set up. That's redneck for you. Tape some pads over the intakes. Got everything aluminum foiled off. Got some fancy cardboard that Patrick bought. Just taped up the riser. Got all the deaeration lines, fuel lines. Just got to do turbo boots. And then finish the rest of the degreaser and prime it, paint it, get her done. Head to the Bahamas, baby. It's an engine room restoration 101 right here on a pair of old 8D92 735. Where'd Patrick go?
Ah, I didn't leave it yet. Wait till you see this baby after. Fresh intercooler. Hello, pulpits.
Hello, pulpit.
Got Harry Potter the Wizard here.
The Wizarding World of Harry Potter.
Everything. All the way on the outside too.
That's how we do it after all the things.
melted the GoPro a little bit with the torch on accident, but now it doesn't leave a mess. It's still overspray. It's fucking mad. Not good. Not good, mother. And the turbo's coming up. Woo! It's looking right now. Okay, this door now.